Hey everybody, in a previous video we did the wireframe for our team website for the home page here. So now it's actually time to start our HTML. So let's go ahead and first I posted a page design template here for you. I've actually just defined some of the different sections of your document. So go ahead and copy this page design template and let's get into Dreamweaver and go ahead and do a new file. And do Control A, you can erase everything. Control A will select everything, erase everything that's there. Go ahead and paste our template in there. Then go ahead, save this one. So as for me, I have lots of different files, as you can probably see here. So I'm going to go ahead in my web design folder here. And first off, I'm going to make a new folder. So the new folder button should very well be up at the top of the page. And we're going to say team website. And we're going to go ahead and start with just a little bit of file organization. So inside of our team website, we're going to call this one index.html. Index is, as we've said before, the file that a server will look for as the starting file in a folder. So index should always be the thing that you start with. So the couple things that we want to do to start, the title, which the thing that goes up into the web browser to the tab, is not going to be Flexbox Gallery 1. It's going to be Team Website. And then the assignment title in this case will indeed be Team Website. And we'll just say homepage. And you can go ahead and just do the rest, your name, class, date, all that stuff. In nav, we actually have some navigation that we will require for here. So let's go ahead and start out our nav section. Remember, nav is a list of links. So we're going to start it with UL. And we're going to have LIs that are also links. LI, A, and href, like that. So we know from our wireframe that we did that we'll have home, roster, our image gallery, and history. So in our nav section here, those are the things that we need to put. So we have this LI that we did. This is a great place to save typing. Make sure that href is correct. Make sure it's all correct. And you're going to have 4 of these different pages: home, roster, image gallery, and history. Those are going to be the things that we navigate to. So the title of the body here is again going to be team website or team homepage. And in footer, you can go ahead and then change all the stuff down here for your actually information. So let's go back to the wireframe again. We have actually a good majority of this code kind of set up now. We have our little welcome message thing. We have our we need to make all the stuff in container here yet, but we have a decent start on what we should have. So we have inside of container, we know that we want to put a banner image above our welcome message. So you see our welcome message is below that banner. So let's go ahead inside of container. We see our body title that we just changed. So go ahead and above that, go ahead and add our image tag. It's going to have the class of banner, a source of hashtag for right now, and an alt of hashtag as well. We will change those later. And then underneath, we know that we're going to put this group of 3 content boxes. So let's go ahead and start that last part of the HTML. So our HTML, as we do this, is going to start, div. Let's see. We'll just call this one box, for lack of a more creative name, because it's going to be a box that we put things in. So this box, we know, we'll call this circle image. And again, source and alt will be hashtag as a placeholder. Because we know we want an image, we know we want it to be a circle. And then we also know that we want a paragraph to go below. So we're going to go ahead and add a class of box text to this. And we'll just say my description goes here for now. Additionally, we now know that we want 3 boxes. So we take this box that we just made, and we're going to put it on twice more. So this would be a great place to Control S and save this file. So let's take a quick preview. Obviously, it's not quite going to look like much yet, because we do not indeed have the CSS written that we need. However, we have a decent start with our stuff here. We have actually most of the HTML done that we need to get done. So I think we're going to stop here for the HTML. And in the next video, we're going to actually do the CSS to make this look like something more than just HTML skeleton.